Hi, this is Jerry Jenkins. We're going to show you a very useful thing is to split two windows on your screen like this. So you have one on the left and one on the right. This is useful if you're, for example, here I'm looking at cats and I want to make notes about what kind of cat I might want to get. Or you could be writing a research paper and looking at articles over here on the browser. Or you could be looking at stocks here and you have a spreadsheet on the left you're entering numbers from, or you're comparing two documents. So there's a lot of reasons you might want to split this. So the easiest way to split windows in Windows 11, so let me go to where I have a couple windows. So here I have a couple windows. I'm going to write an article on the history of the Declaration of Independence in Word, and I have a Bing browser open to information about the history of it. So if I want to split these windows, you're going to use the Windows and the arrow key. So you hold down your Windows key and hit right arrow, and that snaps one window to the right, and then it brings up what's called the Snap Assistant, and you just click on the one you want to snap. We only have one because we had two windows open, and that snaps it to the left. And once you have it snapped, you can always decide, well, I want more room to write, so you can drag this to the right, or you can want more room to see the article in the browser, you can drag it to the left. Just a note, you can only drag so far because most apps have a limit on the width that you can decrease the window to. So just so you're aware of that. So that's it. That's how you get split windows in Windows 11.